Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a couple options for the fire red 3s that are coming out very soon. Shout out to everybody that left a lot of love on the last video. I know I only showed one option, which was just the lower sock option, but I figured I would go ahead and show you guys at least like 4 or 5 different options as far as pants goes, and then of course I showed the low sock option as well. So you guys comment and let me know what your favorite combo is to wear with the Air Jordan 3 model. I'm literally editing the video right now, so I'll probably do a couple voiceovers or something, but again, I just wanted to show you guys what the shoe looks like with different types of pants, so you guys have an idea on how you want to style it maybe. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and if you guys haven't copped a pair of fire red 3s yet, I'll have a link down below in the description if you guys want to pick some up early. But without any further ado, let's get right to it. Starting off with pant number 1, these are some Subie pants. I got these last year and they have more of a baggy fit. I honestly see a lot of people in LA rock that like baggy pant look. For some reason, I don't think it works well with my body type and my style, so I don't know. I just wanted to throw this in there in case y'all want to see what these look like with some baggy pants. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I didn't cry. The tears are from my eyes, had to put my pride aside. I swear I've been on my shit, I did this all with no one else. They gon' take me as a joke, but they ain't know the things I felt. I'm just trying to find my way to move myself from all this. Next up we have some Nudies raw denim. These are more of a tapered fit. Always love wearing these pants with some Jordan 3s. But how they treated me, try to knock me down, I got right up, they ain't do shit to me. Had to separate, these bitches fake, don't need that energy. They trying to keep me down, I stood my ground cause I had bigger dreams. Ain't no telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money, stack that shit up to the ceiling. All the shit don't take the pain away, still searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I didn't cry. The tears are from my eyes, had to put my pride aside. Next up we got a pair of pants that Hibbett sent out. These ones are interesting because they have huge pockets on the side of them, as you guys could probably tell on my left leg. There's also some pockets on the front as well. I forget what material these are made out of, but I'll link these down below in the description, as well as all the other pants if you guys are interested. My lungs, all the risks to clear my mind. All I asked was for your loyalty, you fed me with some lies. Now I gotta watch you close to me, Lord knows they switching sides. Moving along, we have the Essentials sweatpants right here. This is more of a comfy vibe. Maybe around winter time when it starts getting a little bit chilly and you want to be more comfortable, you could throw on some sweatpants with these. The Essential sweatpants have a nice band at the bottom, so it prevents it from drooping over the shoe, which I think is a decent look. I definitely don't prefer this look over the other ones, but I'm just giving you guys some options. Out of all of the options, this might be one of my favorite. These are the minimal pants. They are a little bit long, so you're gonna see a lot more stack at the bottom. I got these a while back as well, but these cargos typically look pretty good with lower top sneakers like some Dunks or even some Converse or something like that.
I'm driving Mercedes, my windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city.
For the last one, we're gonna go with a classic look, just the regular Nike ankle socks. You're basically letting the shoes do the talking. In my opinion, I think this is the most comfortable way to wear Air Jordan 3s, but you guys let me know which one you prefer in the comment section down below, and also let me know if I missed anything. I know there's so many different pant options, as well as socks and shorts and all that good stuff, so you let me know what you're wearing with your Air Jordan 3s down below. I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace.
Smoking out the roof, it's like a chimney on the interstate. I get the whole city lifted. Opie told me that I'm intercontinental. They gon' know you from Belize or Sacramento, yeah. Like Michael Vick in the whip. Call audibles when I see pics. Mothers approach me and say I inspire the kids. I know they get high to this shit all in 1 year.